Ladies and gentlemen, there just been a 7.1 earthquake in Mexico. 51.01 kilomiles in Mexico. The population of 253 persons. And El Rodriguez, Pueblo, Mexico. And so this just came in. So I thought I'd share that with you guys. Please continue to pray for these people that's in Mexico. I mean, they just had an 8.0. Now they're having a 7.1. You guys, please, please, please pray for these people. And there's things going on all over the world. A lot of things. Like a lot of stuff. So please, please pray. Pray, 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 pray for the people. This was a major quake. It should be considered considerable damages. Houses that are now bolted down move off their foundations. Underground pipes are broken. Ground cracks, reservoir stuff, serious damage. It's in the Mercalli scale of 9. All right, guys.